a green waste mulching plant, first destroying a hay barn and 2 sheds before roaring out of control. But by this morning, the wind died down, so now the fire is smoldering in piles of organic debris, leaves, and tree limbs. We're going to have more details on this mulch fire coming up at 6:30. But let's talk weather now. Here we had another enviable, beautiful day across the Southland.
Elizabeth Espinosa has been talking with people who are enjoying the day. She joins us live now from Manhattan Beach. Hey, Elizabeth.
Yeah, this is a really tough assignment. It's so great to see you, Kurt, Courtney. Okay, look at these lovely ladies. You're in shorts?
Yeah.
Yes, and it's been very warm. It's warm right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're wearing your bikini bottom, Missy.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, not at all.
Oh my gosh, it really is something else. It's incredible, right? Everybody out today in the water, which I know is very chilly, but still, bike riding, surfing, you name it. And this is why a lot of folks who are out here from back east say, Elizabeth, I get it. I know why you guys put up with high real estate prices. Take a look. The calendar says we're in winter, but today felt like a summer day. Where are you from, Richard?
Massachusetts.
That's why you left, because of that blizzard.
Absolutely. But we got out of there real quick.
How amazing is this?
It's wonderful. Nothing better than this.
Especially if you live back east, where a monster snowstorm is expected to make life much colder this week. Comparison is just insane.
Yeah, it is crazy. I'm in flip-flops right now, and I get to go on the boots. Yeah, it's gonna be generators and a lot of water. It's awful.
Cindy's going home to New Hampshire tonight, where it's freezing. What are your friends going to think about your tan when you get back?
They'll think I've been tanning in a fake tan bed or something. They don't believe that, I keep texting pictures on Facebook. I joke around and say that it's 85, and they're like at -9. It's insane.
Being a native LA girl, I can't fathom, but I'm not alone. So my new beach friends and I check out the water. The verdict? Girls on the sand, especially Jen.